Have you ever searched for a completely free AI tool that turns images into videos and ended up totally disappointed? Yeah, same. Most of the tutorials out there are either total clickbait or they hype up tools that pretend to be free. Some make you pay up front. Others give you just a tiny handful of free credits as a taste, then lock everything behind a paywall. And the ones that actually let you export a video? They slap on a giant watermark or give you a video so low quality it's basically useless. But here's the good news. You're watching this video right now, which means you're about to unlock a method that gives you unlimited, 100% free, high-quality AI videos. No watermarks, no hidden fees, and no nonsense. And yes, it works on both PC and mobile. By the end of this video, you're going to be cranking out stunning AI-generated videos. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, or just for fun, I'll walk you through everything step by step. No tech jargon, no fluff, just the real process that works. All right, let's jump in. First, go ahead and click the link in the description or the pinned comment. That's going to take you straight to the tool's homepage. Right away, you'll see a gallery of videos that people have already made with this AI, and some of them are insane. If you click on one, you'll see the exact prompt they used to generate it. You can either copy that prompt to use for your own video or remix it and make something totally new. Now, hit the Create Video button. This opens up your personal workspace, your creative command center. This is where the magic happens. But before you do anything else, we need to unlock those unlimited free credits. This part is super important, so make sure you follow along carefully. At the top of the screen, click on the Charge button. That'll bring up a login page. Now listen, this part is key. Do not use your real Gmail or personal email to sign up. If you do, you'll be stuck with limited credits, and we want unlimited. Instead, we're going to use a little trick, something called TempMail. So open a new tab and type in TempMail. Click the first site that pops up. This site gives you a temporary email that works just like a real one, but you don't have to sign up or give any info. But wait, don't copy that first email just yet. Scroll down a bit and click Delete, then hit Refresh. This gives you a completely fresh email that hasn't been used before. Now copy that new email address. Jump back over to the AI tool. Paste it into the sign-up box and click Get Code. Now switch back to the TempMail site and check your inbox. It should take just a few seconds. Once the verification email comes in, open it, copy the code, and paste it into the AI tool. Hit Continue with email and set a password. Boom, you're in. And guess what? You've now got 300 free credits sitting in your account. That's enough to make 10 to 15 full AI videos with no watermarks, no paywalls, and no limits. And the coolest part? You can repeat this TempMail trick whenever you want more credits. It's basically unlimited. Want more videos? Just rinse and repeat. But hold up, don't leave just yet. If you skip the next part, your video might still end up with a watermark, and that would suck. So now you're inside the workspace. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an image upload box. Click that. Now choose any image from your device. Maybe it's a character design, a cool shot you saved, or even something random you want to bring to life. Once you pick one, it'll show up right there in your workspace. But if you don't have an image yet, no stress. This tool's got your back. Just scroll down to the image prompt box, type in what you want to see, something like a futuristic warrior standing on top of a skyscraper at sunset, and hit Generate. Boom. Within seconds, the AI creates a fresh image for you. Now, real talk. Sometimes those AI-generated images are spot-on amazing. Other times you look at them and think, what is that? So if you want consistency, especially for a series or a brand, it's usually better to use images you've already saved or ones you've made with a more advanced tool. And if you're wondering how to create consistent pro-level AI images for free, let me know in the comments and I'll make a full tutorial on that. Okay, your image is ready. Now, it's time to bring it to life. Look up at the top middle of your screen. You'll see a music option. This is where you can either pick something from the site's built-in music library or upload your own soundtrack. Next to that is the lip sync toggle. If you turn it on, the AI will animate the character's mouth to match your audio. Great for storytelling or dialogue. If you turn it off, the animation still looks clean and dynamic, just without the mouth movement. That version only costs 30 credits, so pick based on what you're creating. If you're going for a cinematic reel, maybe skip lip sync. But if you're narrating a short story or skit, go for it. Now, scroll down a little and you'll see the main video prompt box. This is where you tell the AI how to animate the image. Let's say you use that warrior image from earlier. Here, you might write something like, open quote, camera zooms in slowly as the wind blows through the character's jacket and neon lights flicker in the background. Close quote. You're painting the scene here, telling the AI what kind of motion or vibe you want. Once your prompt is set, take a breath. This is the moment we've been building up to. Click the Generate Video button. The tool will use up either 30 or 60 credits depending on your settings, and then it gets to work. It usually takes around 1 to 4 minutes. But listen close, this next part is super important. As soon as your video finishes, don't just sit there. Download it immediately. If you're on a computer, right-click and choose Save Video. If you're on your phone, press and hold the video, then tap Download Video. Why the rush? Because if you wait too long, the site might auto-apply a watermark. And once it's on, it's on. So grab your video while it's still clean. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Now hit play on your downloaded video and check it out. The result is insane. Smooth animation, crisp visuals, and it feels like it was made by a full-on animation team, and you did it for free. And hey, if for some reason you do end up with a watermark, no big deal. Just regenerate the video and download it faster next time. What if that watermark still sneaks in? No stress, I have another solution for you. Just go to a free site called Online Video Cutter. I'll drop the link in the pinned comment. You don't need to sign up. Just upload your video, click the little icon that says Remove Logo, drag over the watermark, hit Save, and that's it. Clean video, no watermark, done. If you ever run out of credits, just repeat the TempMail trick and you're good to go. That's literally all you need to create unlimited AI videos without watermarks. So, what are you waiting for? Start turning your ideas into stunning AI videos today. Don't let paid tools or watermarks hold you back. Now you know the secret to creating unlimited, professional quality content for free. Click that link, try it right now, and watch how fast your creativity takes off. And hey, if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Because the future of content creation is here, and it starts with you. Let's make something viral together.